Welcome back to another episode of DP Demolition. I'm Jaden D, and
I'm Lurch.
This is Lurch. We are down here in Kellogg, Iowa, picking up an S10 for my Corvair project on this nice blustery 25-degree day. We got it for pretty cheap, runs, drives, transmission slips, but we're gonna see if we can get it home off the trailer and see what kind of burnout you can do. I don't have pickle today, so I'm gonna swing over here and grab the Lurch. We'll run up there and pound on his door till he answers. Lurch, it's me! It's time to go.
Okay.
While we were down in Kellogg, we figured we'd have to stop at Iowa's Best Burger Cafe, get some lunch. Had to pick up my wife some takeout so she'll be less mad at me when I come home with this. All right, we got it back home. Hook it up to the battery charger because it is dead and will not do a thing. Probably gonna need to end up with a new juice box on this one as well. Got 4 very low tires. We're gonna have to get that figured out. You can probably hear the air compressor running in the background. The AC does not work, we have found out. That's actually not really tested, but I assume, judging by the AC in a can charge hose that Lurch here found. Not that it matters anyway, because we're literally just using this for the frame, possibly the engine and transmission for this guy right here.
Now it'll work.
Oh, now it'll work. Oh.
Charge on the go.
Yeah, there we go. He's got it all hooked up. We're good now.
Slam that in the hood.
So, a quick rundown on this. We got a 2.2 4-banger, real powerful. There we go. Yep, there's your 2.2 brought to you. Engine size brought to you by Lurch. Transmission slips in this. He says it only moves around in first gear. So, oh, we got some noises happening here. Oh no, what is going on?
Oh, turn the air off. No, it's not the air.
Oh. Not sure what that is. Yeah, give it a good smack. See if you can get it to stop. Is it? Oh, it was the radio. Except now, why is
now it sounds like an amber alert.
Huh, it went away. Okay,
Start
cool. See if she'll start.
Oh,
No. Nope. She ain't starting. But one plus side to this is inside the center console here is a Daryle Singletary tape. Produced by Randy Travis. That is getting so much playtime in this thing, it's not even gonna be funny.
You got a fancy gas pedal.
Oh, wow. That is at least what, 25, 30
Yeah,
horse?
this thing's looking like 950 foot-pounds, probably.
Give or take. Oh, let's see what tape is in here, actually. We got the Best of the Beach Boys Volume 1.
I think I could be friends with this fella.
What? Oh, look who came to join me. Copper, Hazel, Maggie, Max. Got some real nice floor mats here, high quality rubber.
And a penny, you're getting your money back.
And a penny, look at that.
Oh, head side up.
We technically only paid $499.99 for this now. Right, while we're waiting for this thing to battery charge, we'll go over what we found in the back.
Oh, that ain't opening at all.
Oh, okay. Well, we got
That's my size.
a coat, hopefully Lurch's size. That's a Dickies, and that's nice right there. Ended up getting the tailgate down. Lurch is gonna try on his new coat he found. It is a bit cold today. Look at that.
When you're going to town coat.
Like a glove.
I don't think that's dog hair. I think it's probably raccoon or possum. Oh, it is real furry back here.
Ooh, yum.
Something's been living on my new coat.
Lurch is going to try to figure out the old topper window holder upper 5000 here. Oh! Now bender, there we go. Oh my goodness.
Professional.
Is that an engineer? No, that's Lurch. Maybe it's Maybelline. Oh my gosh, guys. I found some cock. Is the chair functional? Oh no, I wouldn't sit in that. Okay, you're going to.
Oh no.
No, maybe don't. Oh, it's gonna.
Oh God. Lean to it.
Excellent, excellent.
Moldy buckets.
Peanut butter. Hopefully have a better connection. Nah.
Hold on. Nope.
Oh. Guess what else I found in here? Some 20 gauge.
Oh great, we still have that guy's hunting coat.
20 gauge steel shot. Dose. See what we got in the little ashtray. Oh my gosh, more change. We're making money on this thing every day. We've officially paid $499.97 for this. Put that back in there.
Banker's gonna be happy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, there's like 27 cents worth of fuses right there.
Oh, there's your Daryle Singletary. Let her lie. I'll let her lie. Well, we figured out the no starting problem. This battery is a 2016. It only comes with 5 years of performance. So Lurch is looking for a jack. We're gonna see if there's anything else in this car. Oh. What's this? We got a jack?
Hell yeah.
Oh, we got a jack.
Doesn't even look like that big.
Oh, dental floss. Yum. And a nickel. Look at that. We're just making money all day long. Better put this in the old ashtray.
I don't think that jack's ever been taken out.
Found 8 cents so far. That's a jack that's never been used, my friend. That means it's reliable. She's a reliable car. Truck. Let's see what we got. Anything else? Oh, another tape. Burl Ives, The Magic Balladeer. Conway, Twitty, and Loretta Lynn.
There ain't no way. Get this thing started. I want to listen.
Sing their biggest hits. Oh, it's not in there.
Take the truck back. Let's burn it down.
Oh my God.
That's just disappointing.
Disappointing. We need to call this guy up.
I'm going home.
Yeah, I mean, I don't blame. Wait, check under your seat. Is the tape itself under your seat?
It won't slide forward.
Well, oh, you got it. You got it. She was just a little gunky. Oh, there's not a non-spent 22 shell.
Oh, that was still good.
Is there anything under there? Stick your hand under there with caution. Or put your whole face under there. That works too. We got Lurch over here putting a little atmosphere in the tires. Oh yeah. Well, we established that the clamps on these guys are probably not good enough. So we're hopefully just gonna hook it to the old trusty Subaru with that real nice corroded. That's a custom blue battery terminal right there.
Let's get that off there with the cable. So.
Yeah. So we'll see if these guys have a little more juice in them. So we got it started. And we ended up having to jump start it with the Subaru. Then we took the battery charger and just doubled up on the battery and gave it all the juice. Now Lurch is in there fiddling with the throttle. How's she running?
Fine. Doesn't have the best oil pressure.
Oh, that's...
There's some. It's not zero.
doesn't move either. It moved a little. Do it again. Huh.
It's got
Excellent.
enough.
Enough for what we need it for. 10-4. Well, let's take this thing for a rip ski. We can take her for a quick loopy-loop around the old Talladega Speedway. She's nice and slimy today. Got her drop down at first because that's all she wants to drive in. Woo! Normally, a truck would drift the other direction. Oh no. We're gonna have to go get the tractor. Come on! Come on! Oh, we're grabbing something. Nope. Does she have reverse? Oh, we got reverse. We're golden. We ain't getting stuck now.
Maybe.
Yet.
You can smell the transmission, that's for sure.
Oh, yeah. Maybe she doesn't have fluid in it. Maybe we should check that.
Or the oil.
Looks like we're gonna have to go backwards around the track. Come on. Don't get stuck back here. Whoa! Ah! Professional backwards driver. What you know about a little high side of the track? Woo! Ah! They call me Drift King. DK for short.
Tiger King without the tigers. Take her for a stroll around town.
Yeah, we'll take her for a rip ski around town.
Nice Saturday afternoon stroll.
Yeah. New development in the case. We have, like, no oil pressure. And it's running. Oh, she went up a little bit. Excellent. And we're not even home. Because we're dumb and decided to drive around town. Well, we tried to make it around the track. That did not happen at all. It was way too muddy. This thing's a very light two-wheel drive, so that didn't make for a good time at all. We drove it around town though, and has like no oil pressure, so that's cool. Probably a smart move to take it around town. Doesn't do a burnout. Found that out. It's very pitiful. So yeah, the transmission is junk. It only has first and reverse. So it's a great donor frame for this guy, the Corvair. So the Corvair is hopefully eventually going to get a 327 mounted in this S10 frame with a 4-speed Saginaw. And hopefully we can get that starting sometime soon. I had to send off the crankshaft of the 327 to get reground because it's severely spun a bearing. It was less than cool. But yeah, so there's that. So that's it for the S10. It is a certified piece of crap. Tranny's junk, only has first and reverse. The engine has like no oil pressure. Doesn't even want to start. So we're just gonna go ahead and part it out. We only really needed it for the frame for the Corvair swap. All right, me and Lurch decided we're actually just gonna go ahead and start ripping apart the old super tender here. So if anybody needs any S10 parts involving the body, hood, all that stuff, let us know. We're gonna start by taking apart the front end, front fenders, hood, grill, all that stuff. So yeah. All right, we got the hood off, the grill out, obviously, the whole front radiator core support. We're working on the fenders now. That made a big mess. Only had to break out the grinder and saws for a few things. Remember your safety squints.
That's good.
Get ready to pull the coolant overflow tank in the computer. And then we'll pull these front fenders off. Might even get the engine out tonight. Engine and transmission. What do you think about that? Well, we're gonna call it an evening. we have everything unbolted engine and transmission wise, but that tractor right there that we were going to use to pull the engine is a giant turd and won't stay running. It's about 6 degrees outside and 9:30 at night, so we're going to call it for the evening. Nice and chilly. Yeah, so we're going to hopefully get back at it tomorrow and hopefully get the engine and transmission pulled. That would be awesome. Possibly the bed pulled off too. So, yeah. Well, it's day 2 of the S10 and we got the engine and transmission out in a very unconventional way. A lot of sawzalling, cutting wires, hammering out a starter, pry bars, all that fun stuff. We did it probably the most Neanderthal and inefficient way possible, but it's out. So there we go. And it's like never vertically pulled an engine before, but we got it. All right, that's it for this episode, folks. We officially murdered an S10 for really no good reason other than for the frame. Ran and drove as of yesterday. Yeah, so we're going to hopefully get the 327 put together after I get the crankshaft back from the machine shop. We'll get that mocked up in the S10 frame and then maybe start getting the Corvair body onto the S10 after we chop that apart. But we'll see you on the next one, folks. Remember, drive like you stole it, and we'll see you on the next one. That's it for this one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Remember, drive it like you stole it. We'll see you on the next one.